Excel text after and text before functions. Considering text after and text before and where to use them. So let's say we have this data, category and product, and we want to have only the product. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to type equals text after, then I'll pick this cell, comma, open my parenthesis, put the dash, and then close, press enter. So you can see that we have the product me there, so I can just drag this or double click this. So I have my product here. So for text before, let's say we have this and we want to use text before. So we will do is type equals text before, pick this cell, comma, parenthesis, type the text after what we want to reference as text before, which is department, close bracket, and press enter. You can see we have the text before, which is finance. So what I'll just do is double click this and autofill, so we have our information. Then let's say we want to use these two functions in a single query. In this example we have our full URL and we want to extract our site. So what we are going to use is the to function. We're going to type equals text before, then text after, I'll pick this cell, then comma, open my parenthesis, double backslash, comma, open another parenthesis, single backslash, close it and press enter. We now have our extracted information showing only the site details. So I'll just do double click for the rest too. So this is how to use text before and text after functions in extracting information from a given data. That's it.